There are the 5 PC upgrades that deliver the most bang for your buck. Building a new PC can be expensive, and the same applies if you are looking to upgrade your existing one. Sure, you might find budget alternatives, but finding the most performance for your money can be a difficult thing. So, if you are looking to upgrade your PC on a tight budget, here are the upgrades that shall deliver the most bang for your buck. Your system memory is one of the most important aspects of overall performance, and I am not just talking about checking in as much RAM as possible. For the best performance, it's best to go with faster memory at a lower capacity. For example, 16 GB of memory running at 5200 MT over S will give you better performance than 32 GB at 3200 MT over S. Of course, the total amount of the memory you have does affect system performance, but unless you are using programs that can take advantage of the increased system memory you have, it is typically better to get faster RAM than more RAM. It tells about balance, while having more RAM will help when multitasking or keeping more Chrome tabs open. When it comes to processing speed, faster RAM is where the performance lies. Considering you can buy a crucial 32 GB DDR5 RAM kit running at 600 MT over S for under $150, sometimes dropping under $100 Amazon sale. It is one of the first upgrades you should be considering for your PC, whether you are on a tight budget or not. Try to avoid buying memory sticks with RGB as they tend to cost more and do not do anything for performance compared for their non-RGB counterparts. Second, faster storage. Another advantage for the upgrades on your PC that has become much cheaper over the years is storage. HDDS has become significantly cheaper, so mass storage is taken care of. But you need to have at least one high performance SSD in your system. Choosing between a HDD and SSD has never been easier thanks to SSDs becoming considerably cheaper in recent times. Adding an SSD or upgrading to a faster SSD on your system is one of the best upgrades you make on a budget, and it shall result in notable improvement in performance. Installing your operating system and other important programs on your SSD ensures less time waiting for your PC or programs to boot, delivering a much better experience overall. There are plenty of reasons why you should store your games on an SSD. For around 150S, you can upgrade to a WD Black SN850X or 2 TB NVMe SSD with data transfer speed of up to 7300 MB over S. If you want to save some money, the 1 TB variant comes in well under $100. Samsung also makes some pretty fast SSDs, and you can check out your comparison of its Pro, Evo, and QVO lineup to figure out which one suits you best. Number 3, better cooling. Investing in a better cooling for your PC, CPU, GPU, or case can add performance and extend the lifespan of your PC compartments without burning a hole in your wallet. Thermal throttling can affect your CPU's performance, and it does not leave a lot of headroom for the processor when under stress.